Hi. In this video, we will be learning about the auto-generation of CRUD API endpoints in Astera. We can auto-generate CRUD API endpoints for any database using the data source browser. CRUD APIs are meant for create, retrieve, update, delete operations on the database table records. Let's look at a use case. First, we will click on View in the main menu bar and select Data Source Browser from the drop-down menu. This will open the Data Source Browser panel. Next, we will add a new database server. By selecting the Add Database Connection option, this will open a configuration window to define a database connection. A database server can be configured from any of the listed providers. We will add all the essential details to configure the database server connection and click OK. Now, the data source browser will be populated with all the databases from the connected server. Next, we will right-click on any database and select Generate CRUD Flows from the context menu. It is necessary for a project to be open when CRUD API flows are generated, since they are added under a CRUD folder created in the project. This will open a new window. Here, you can select the tables and the respective CRUD operations to generate API flows. For our use case, we will be selecting the Orders table. The following operations are available for each table. The Find All Records operation functions as a GET method that fetches all the records. The GetRecordById operation works as a GET method along with a path parameter for a key that fetches the records based on the key. Selecting Create a New Record creates a new record. Selecting Update a Record by ID lets the user update a record by ID. Selecting Delete a Record by ID lets the user delete a record by ID. We can even select configurations inside each endpoint. Therefore, we can enable sort or filter, or if the execution type is synchronous or asynchronous. Once done, we will click Generate and the CRUD flows will be generated. We can then view the API endpoints in the Project Explorer panel. Now, we can directly group and deploy with a single click. Open any API flows to see pre-configured API flows or make any changes. This concludes the working of the database API's CRUD auto-generation in Astera. For more information, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching.